Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to change the tempo of a song mid-song. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you're not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can play, you can find the audio recorder, and so on. So guys, let's go ahead and see how we can change the tempo of a song mid-song. So I'm going to open up my audio recorder right here. You can open up any of the instruments, it doesn't matter. It's all going to open up this new same recording menu where we can get started recording, and in the upper left corner you'll have the edit mode where we can open up the mixing mode with all the tracks that we have that we can find right here. So you can see here I have a couple of tracks, and now let's say that I want to change the tempo at the mid of the song. What I'm going to do first guys is go ahead and cut the song where I want to change the tempo. So first thing you need to do is go ahead and tap on the song right here, and now we can go ahead and split it wherever we want. So we can split it right here where we have put our option, our cursor, and now as you can see it has split. So what we can do is select the second part of it after we have split it and go right here in the upper right corner and click the settings icon. In the settings icon, you can go ahead and select your tempo, and this is where you can go ahead and select the tempo that you want to change it to. So you can change the tempo for your track at the section that you've split it, and it's going to change it mid-song. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.